Good afternoon, sir. It's me, Sanjeev Bania. I'm from 30B. My student ID is 210017. So I'm going to talk to you about my thesis with the research title is as follows: Application of appropriate data analytical approaches to understand customer on at a retail store to improve customer retention and satisfaction. Basically, what it means is that there is a problem which I have identified in the retail world, which is that the data is usually listed out there in retail companies like supermarket, superstores, places where there is a huge data lying around there, and the problem is there. The data is not being used properly, because as it turns out there are many unsatisfied customers, and there are less sales happening, and there are also employee problem because the item not being adjusted in the particular place or something like that. So this is all because of the proper usage of data. This is why the customer review, the customer satisfaction is also not on the level which will be satisfactory. So the solution that I am providing is that through the collection of the proper data and utilizing them, the solution is there. So the proper usage of data, I can make the solution analysis and tell them what the problem is or how the problem is really happening. So that is the help in increasing the sales increase, how to plan the next item, how to bring the next item, how to plan the next item. So it means market planning, and ultimately which result in the satisfaction of the customer. So this is the problem that I have identified and solution that I propose. So basically, let's talk about my concept page now. So yeah, you like I like to show you in the problem page. So there is a raw data usually out there, and they are the servers which stores their data, and all because of then all those data comes through the enterprise application. So here data sources is here, so the used data comes over here, which I should now place it into the staging area, and the purpose of the project is as well as the solution. The staging area, there are two staging area, one is tableau and another is tableau preparation. So for cleaning the data, extracting them, developer builders has been used or can be used, which performs the two-step main measure importing, which is data cleaning and extracting, and all of this is done so that it can be inserted into the analytical application, which is tableau, and through the different kinds of analysis can be done so that people or the business stakeholders can make data driven decision, so they can improve their marketing and practicing marketing and pricing strategy. They can understand how the customer teaches strategy should be applied and how the inventory should be managed. All of this is done so that it lines with the thesis topic. This is understanding customer retention and so on. So yeah, it helps analyzing with the customer are not returning, or some of the customer are being loyal and can analyze their problems and personal, which can analyze the customer behavior and understand what solution they actually need, or what items do they actually want, how the appropriate solution might help them. So for the purpose, this is the purpose of the completion of the thesis, as well as the tableau has been used. So I have made different dashboard which I am going to show you now.